Sugar is a common ingredient in many diets worldwide, often found in processed foods, beverages, and even seemingly healthy options. While sugar can provide a quick boost of energy, excessive consumption has been linked to numerous health issues, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and dental problems. But what happens to your body when you cut sugar completely from your diet? This article will explore the physiological and psychological changes that occur when you eliminate sugar from your life. 1. Initial withdrawal symptoms. When you first cut sugar from your diet, you may experience withdrawal symptoms, similar to those associated with drug withdrawal. This is because sugar can stimulate the brain's reward system, releasing chemicals like dopamine that create feelings of pleasure. As a result, when you eliminate sugar, you may experience cravings. Intense cravings for sugary foods and drinks are common in the first few days. Mood swings, changes in mood, irritability, or increased anxiety may occur as your body adjusts to the absence of sugar. Fatigue. You may feel more tired than usual as your body transitions from relying on sugar for quick energy to burning fat for fuel. These withdrawal symptoms typically last for a few days to a week, and they can be more pronounced if you have consumed high amounts of sugar previously. 2. Improved energy levels. After the initial withdrawal phase, many people report increased energy levels. Sugar provides a quick source of energy, but it often leads to energy crashes as blood sugar levels drop. When you cut out sugar, your body stabilizes its energy levels by using fat as a primary fuel source. This results in more consistent energy throughout the day without the highs and lows associated with sugar consumption. 3. Weight loss. One of the most noticeable effects of cutting sugar from your diet is weight loss. Sugar is high in calories and low in nutritional value. By eliminating sugary foods and beverages, you reduce your overall caloric intake. Furthermore, cutting sugar can lead to reduced insulin levels, which can promote fat loss and help your body store less fat. Many people find that they lose weight more easily when they eliminate sugar, especially in the form of refined carbohydrates and added sugars. 4. Better digestive health. Cutting sugar can significantly improve your digestive health. High sugar intake is linked to imbalances in gut bacteria, leading to conditions like dysbiosis, which can cause bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort. By eliminating sugar, you may experience reduced inflammation. Sugar can promote inflammation in the body, contributing to various digestive issues. Cutting it out can lead to less bloating and discomfort. Improved gut bacteria. A diet lower in sugar often includes more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 5. Enhanced mental clarity. Many individuals report improved mental clarity and focus after cutting sugar. Sugar can cause brain fog and difficulty concentrating, especially after consuming large amounts. Once sugar is eliminated, your brain may experience stable blood sugar levels, without the spikes and crashes associated with sugar intake. Your blood sugar levels stabilize, leading to improved concentration and cognitive function. Reduced mood swings. As your body adjusts to a diet without sugar, you may notice a more stable mood and reduced anxiety levels. 6. Healthier skin. Eliminating sugar can have a positive impact on your skin. Sugar is known to contribute to skin aging and issues such as acne. By cutting sugar, you may experience reduced inflammation. Sugar can lead to inflammation, which is linked to various skin conditions. Cutting it out can help reduce redness and irritation. Improved elasticity. Sugar can damage collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to premature aging. By eliminating sugar, you may notice firmer, healthier skin over time. 7. Balanced hormones. Sugar consumption can disrupt hormonal balance in the body, particularly insulin and cortisol levels. By cutting sugar, you may experience improved insulin sensitivity. Lower sugar intake can help improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Balanced cortisol levels. High sugar consumption can lead to elevated cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Reducing sugar can help stabilize cortisol levels, leading to better stress management. 8. Enhanced immune function. A diet high in sugar can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. By eliminating sugar, you may notice stronger immune response. A reduction in sugar can lead to improved immune function, as your body is better equipped to fight off infections and illnesses. Fewer inflammatory responses. High sugar intake is linked to increased inflammation, which can negatively impact immune health. Cutting sugar can help reduce inflammation in the body. 9. Long-term health benefits. Cutting sugar from your diet can lead to numerous long-term health benefits, including reduced risk of chronic diseases. High sugar intake is associated with various chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Reducing sugar can lower your risk of developing these conditions. Better heart health. A diet low in sugar can help improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, lowering triglycerides, and improving cholesterol levels. Improved metabolic health. Cutting sugar can lead to better metabolic health, with improvements in blood sugar levels, insulin sensitivity, and body composition. 10. Sustainable healthy eating habits. Finally, cutting sugar can encourage the development of sustainable healthy eating habits. As you eliminate sugar, you may find yourself gravitating toward more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This shift can lead to a more balanced and nutritious diet, promoting overall health and well-being. Conclusion. Eliminating sugar from your diet can lead to a multitude of positive changes in your body, from improved energy levels and weight loss to better digestive health and enhanced mental clarity. While the initial withdrawal phase may be challenging, the long-term benefits far outweigh the temporary discomfort. By committing to a sugar-free lifestyle, you can improve your overall health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and establish sustainable eating habits that enhance your quality of life. Ultimately, cutting sugar can be a transformative journey towards better health and wellness.